This coffee's the only thing keeping me sane.
You might want to get a refill then.
I'm taking anger management classes.
Oh wow, how's that going?
Pretty good so far.
Let's call that a temporary miracle.
My feet are killing me. Long shift.
Your feet are dying because those shoes look like a mistake from the 90s. Did the police academy issue those as a joke? Retire them immediately.
Really?
Retire.
Unit 911, report.
We're out of donuts. Send backup.
Did you just...
Squad.
Step away from the vehicle, sir. This is a restricted area.
This whole thing? Looks like your yearly bonus spent on cheap paint. Did you at least get a car freshener for it?
You ever wonder if the criminals are watching us too?
What?
Hi, YouTube. Subscribe.